Hello, this project is automated zero report to Asana. So today I'll show how this automation automatically retrieves a financial report from zero and attaches it to a completed task in Asana without any manual downloading or uploading. First step, the automation starts when a task in Asana is marked complete. So instead of someone manually going to Xero, downloading a report and uploading it back to Asana, this workflow does everything automatically in the background. So first we must mark this as complete. Mark as complete, mark as complete, mark as complete, mark as complete. Next is once the task is completed, the scenario securely connects to our Xero organization using authentication. So from this example, I use the demo company global. From there, it retrieves transaction level data that mirrors Xero's account transaction report for the previous calendar year from January 1 to December 31. And then the system formats this raw data into a CSV file that looks exactly like the report a user would normally download from Xero manually. So here's the example of the CSV file format. So the file structure, columns, and layout match what accounting teams already recognize and use. After the CSV file is generated, the automation uploads it directly as an attachment to the completed Asana task. So this means that the report is stored exactly where the team needs it inside the task with no extra steps. So let me show you how the workflow works. So we'll run this once. So, in summary, when a task is completed in Asana, the system automatically pulls the financial data from Xero. So, formats it into a report and attaches it back to the task. So, this removes manual work, reduces errors, and ensures that reports are always generated consistently and on time. So let's wait because it's still running. So I think it's done already. So let me check this one. There should be a CSV file attached inside. So here's the attachment. Let me check this one. Here's the CSV file exported from Xero. So this automation turns a multi-step manual process into a single automation action. So save time, improve accuracy, and keeping financial records organized inside Asana. I think that's all. Thanks for listening.